Every morning, millions of people wake up, rush to work, sit in traffic, stare at a screen, go home exhausted, and then do it all over again tomorrow. Not for a year, not for 5 years, for 40 years. It's the hamster wheel of life. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they're trapped. I know this because I almost spent my life there too. At 16 years old, I dropped out of school and started working an apprenticeship making wooden trash cans. My salary? $2 an hour. $2. But something inside me refused to accept that this was my future. So I studied money. I studied wealthy people, and I discovered a roadmap almost nobody talks about. That roadmap helped me reach financial freedom in my 20s. And the shocking truth is, it's still possible today. By the end of this video, I'll show you the exact roadmap that can help you escape the hamster wheel. Step 1. Find your freedom number. Financial freedom is different for everyone. Some people want mansions and yachts. Others just want a peaceful life without worrying about bills. So the first step is discovering your freedom number. This is the amount of money that, when invested, produces enough income to pay for your life forever. Let's imagine a simple dream life. A nice apartment in a big city, about $30,000 per year. A dream car, maybe something like a Porsche 911. Insurance, fuel, maintenance, around $4,000 a year. Now let's add the fun stuff. Vacations, restaurants, gym, nights out. About $14,000 a year. Then the boring stuff. Utilities, insurance, basic living costs. Another $5,500. Add everything together, you're living a really good life for about $75,000 per year. Now here's the powerful formula wealthy people use. It's called the Rule of 25. Take your yearly expenses and multiply them by 25. That means you need roughly $1.8 million invested. And here's the magic. You never spend that money. Think of it like a golden goose. The goose lays eggs every year. You live off the eggs, but you never eat the goose. How to invest. One of the most reliable ways in history is investing in an S&P 500 index fund. This fund simply tracks the 500 biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Instead of betting on one company, you own all of them. And historically, something incredible has happened. Anyone who held the S&P 500 for 20 years or more has never lost money. The smartest way to invest? A strategy called dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to guess the perfect time, you invest the same amount every month. Market goes up, you invest. Market crashes, you invest. Over time, the market grows and your money grows with it. Step 2. Hack your life. Now here's the truth most people ignore. You don't just build wealth by earning more, you build it by spending smarter. Let me show you a few powerful life hacks. Car hack. The average car payment today is about $734 every month. That's almost $9,000 per year. Instead, buy a high-quality used car. Let someone else take the depreciation hit. Brand hack. Many generic products are 80% cheaper than brand names. Example, generic cereal might cost $1.60, while the brand name costs $4.25. That tiny saving each day, over 5 years, it becomes thousands of dollars. House hack. Housing is the biggest expense in most people's lives, so turn it into an income source. Rent out an extra room or buy a duplex. Some people even cover their entire rent using Airbnb. One guy I met paid zero rent by renting his apartment for just 10 days per month. The credit card myth. Most people believe credit cards are evil, but the truth is, credit cards are tools. Dangerous if used badly, powerful if used correctly. If you pay your balance in full every month, you pay zero interest, but you gain something incredibly valuable, a high credit score. And a high credit score means lower interest rates, cheaper mortgages, and thousands saved over your lifetime. Build the stool. Think of your income like a stool. If it only has one leg, your job, and that leg breaks, you fall. That's why wealthy people build multiple income streams. Your job, a side hustle, investments, maybe a small online business, freelancing, e-commerce, content creation. And here's the crazy part. After work and sleep, the average person still has 50 hours of free time every week. The question is, how will you use them? The real purpose of money. Poor people use money to pay bills. Middle-class people use money to buy things. Rich people use money for something completely different. Expansion. They use money to make more money. When your side hustle starts making income, don't upgrade your lifestyle, upgrade your investments. Stocks, real estate, maybe even a small percentage in crypto. Let your money become a machine that works for you. Conclusion. Financial freedom isn't about Lamborghinis, it's about something much more powerful. Freedom. Freedom to wake up without an alarm clock. Freedom to travel when you want. Freedom to spend time with the people you love. And freedom to never again feel trapped in the hamster wheel. If you want to learn exactly how to start investing step by step, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.